What's up, folks? BK42 back at it again. And today, we're taking a beast of a machine for a spin. The Duotts S26 electric mountain bike. This bad boy has been generating some serious buzz, promising top-tier performance at a mid-range price. But does it deliver? We're about to find out. To kick things off, let's dive into unboxing. The Duotts arrives neatly packed, complete with all the essentials for assembly. Big thanks to Duotts for providing a quality set of tools. Putting it together is a breeze, clocking in at around 30 minutes. Check out my unboxing and step-by-step guide here. This e-bike is a monster. From the first glance, it's clear this machine is built for serious off-road adventures. Big and bold, it boasts dual motors and a massive battery. Features that hint at incredible power, but also add some weight. However, size shouldn't deter those who can handle it. Let's delve deeper into what this beast has to offer. Hold on tight, this e-bike is a rocket. The dual 750 watts motors unleash a mind-blowing 130 Nm of torque. That's enough muscle to turn any hill into a gentle slope and leave regular bikes gasping for air in your dust. Feeling the need for speed, I hit a blistering 59.4 km/h using just the throttle on level 5 with both motors engaged. Impressive, right? Speaking of pedal assist, the system is smooth and offers 5 levels, letting you customize your workout. I usually cruised on level 3 with the rear motor for a balanced effort. When I needed an extra kick, hitting the DS button on the left control activated the front motor, like a nitrous boost straight out of Fast and Furious. It's exhilarating. The power of the S26 is undeniable. It's like a beefed-up tractor on wheels. The massive tires, raw power, and the satisfying hum of the tires all create an exhilarating experience. Now it's important to note that single motor acceleration is smooth and builds speed steadily. But that's where things get crazy. Engaging both motors transforms the S26 into a beast. It feels unstoppable. No hill or terrain stands a chance against the combined 130 Nm of torque and those aggressive 26x4 tires. The difference between single and dual motors is staggering. Just remember, with great power comes a little less range when using both motors simultaneously. Range is a major concern for e-bikers. Duotts advertises a range of 120 to 150 kilometers on a single charge, but that's likely ambitious, especially with heavy throttle use on hills. Realistically, expect a solid 60 to 80 kilometers under typical riding conditions. Level 3 or 4 assist, with some dual motor use. Even so, that's impressive for the price point. The secret weapon? A massive 48 volts, 20 amp-hour Samsung battery. This high-quality cell, like those LG and Panasonic, is a great sign. It shows Duotts prioritizes safety and reliability. The battery recharges conveniently on the bike or can be removed with a key for off-bike charging. An external status indicator lets you keep tabs on its charge level at a glance. By the way, a full charge typically takes between 8 and 10 hours. Let's dive into the S26's mid-range components that deliver solid performance. Hydraulic disc brakes with dual 180mm rotors provide excellent stopping power in any weather, a crucial safety feature. The front suspension features a lockout function and rebound adjustment, while the rear shock offers basic travel for bump absorption. Both work together to smooth out rough terrain. The Shimano Tourney TZ 7-speed drivetrain tackles most situations with ease. And fear not, even if the battery dies, those gears will get you home. Although remember, the S26 weighs in at a hefty 38 kilograms. Control is at your fingertips with the well-organized handlebars. On the left, you'll find the front brake lever, power controls, on-off, assist mode, display functions, lighting controls, a switch for dual single motor function, and a handy horn. The right side features the rear brake lever, gear shifter, a half throttle, and a super convenient USB port to keep your devices charged. As an added bonus, Duotts even throws in a free phone holder. The colorful display is bright and user-friendly, and it connects via Bluetooth to the Duotts mobile app for even more control and customization over your ride. Now, let's talk about those impressive 26 by 4-inch Chaoyang fat tires. They offer incredible grip and stability on any terrain, from sand to loose gravel, no matter what you throw at them. Fenders keep you mud-free on sloppy trails, while the strong rear rack lets you haul groceries or gear for epic adventures. But this beast isn't afraid of the dark either. The integrated headlight packs a serious punch, illuminating your nighttime rides, while the bright taillight with effective braking lights ensures you're always seen. Finally, the frame itself is a masterpiece of durability, boasting impressive welds and a sharp paint job. The Duotts S26 is built tough and ready to take on any challenge. After a week of putting the S26 through its paces, I gotta say, I'm super impressed with this E-Mtb. But there's always room for improvement, right? A couple of things could be better. First, the separate control for the dual motors feels a bit clunky. Ideally, it would be integrated into the main display for easier monitoring, like having a headlight indicator. That would be handy. The front suspension. A higher quality fork would really smooth out the ride. The Duotts app has a lot of potential for customizing your ride, but features like GPS tracking and cruise control seem like they're still under development. Hopefully, these will be ironed out in future updates. All things considered, considering the price tag, these are just minor trade-offs for a truly powerful and enjoyable e-bike experience. So, who's the S26 perfect for? This e-bike is a beast, and it caters to riders who want power and versatility. If you're a weekend warrior who craves adventure on the trails, a commuter seeking a fun and efficient way to get around, or simply someone who wants to experience the pure joy of riding an e-bike, the S26 is for you. And guess what? It's not just powerful for the terrain. It can handle a hefty payload of up to 150 kilograms. And speaking of riders, good news for our taller friends out there. The S26 is a great fit. I even had my tall buddy Ralph, a whopping 194 centimeters, test it out, and it fit him like a glove. With its power, range, comfortable ride for various heights, and impressive 150 kilograms payload capacity, the Duotts S26 is a compelling option. Let's talk value. As of today's recording, the Duotts S26 rings in at €1,349.99. But listen up, we've got a special offer just for you, our viewers. Use the code BK42 at checkout and you'll save €100. That's right, $100 off. Don't miss out on this deal. The link to the Duotts website is in the description below, so be sure to check it out. And the good news keeps rolling. Duotts offers free shipping across Europe. Plus, you're covered with a full 1-year warranty and a generous 30-day return program. So what are you waiting for? BK42 stamp of approval? Hell yeah, absolutely. Well, that's all the time we have for today. If you're considering an E-Mtb, the Duotts S26 is definitely worth a look. Let me know what you think in the comments below. What are your questions? And if you're looking for even more electric bike reviews to fuel your two-wheeled adventures, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.